I think the really important thing about this is it makes data, I think, understandable to our community. By visualising it, we're able to actually more easily see some of the underlying messages in the data, some of the trends, some of the insights.
This is the second iteration of City DNA. It's really exciting to see how the city's data can be translated and tell stories and really communicate to citizens currently what the city is like, but potentially what the future could be like as well.
I definitely do see people gain more understanding by not just looking, they sharing from conversations.
Instead of what we kind of usually do in these things is show people what the built fabric of the city looks like right now. Aerial photographs, 3D scans. What we're showing is this information view of the city. And I think that's the important thing, from data to information.